This is your InCommand control center. This will actually control your slide outs, your interior lights, your awning, and your water heater. To operate it, you'll hit the power button, it'll power up. It'll ask you for a passcode. The factory code is all zeros, so 4 zeros. You'll be able to go ahead and set your own code once you purchase the trailer. So we'll go 4 zeros. Here it'll come up, it'll show you your fresh tank with the 3 dots, which means empty to full. This is empty, it's a stock unit. Your black tank and your gray tanks. This will turn on your water pump, fresh water pump on and off. This will turn on your water heater. It's going to ask if you want electric, propane, or both, so you select whatever you want. This is your interior lights on and off. And this is your kitchen light on and off, living room lights on and off, your awning light, and then you scroll up. This is where you pull your slide out in. This is where you take your awning in and out. And that's how you operate that. It's a very simple system. All right, so you hit this panel, this button here. Takes you back to your main screen. This is where you can illuminate what'll show up on the main screen just by hitting yes or no. These are all factory presets, so just leave them where they're at. It's perfect. Go into your settings. This is where you can change your passcodes, locking your screen, and connecting your Bluetooth device. That's the basic operation of this InCommand control center.